Dear friends, today we will teach you how to clean the dust of this oven. This is a gas oven, and there are lots of carbon in its. So we have to clean in this. This is a Ashwini, and first of all, we have to clean the dust of burning points. Open this. Just turn back side. You have to open these valves. Open this. Now you have to clean this dust. This is a carbon. If you have to clean this, this will operate very greatly. Yes. By doing this work, you can save your money in just going to the operator of this. Ashwini, have you washed it?
Yes.
Yes, just wash it. Okay. Yeah, we have cleaned this manually. You can see it. Now we are cleaning this. Dust is the main problem for better flow of gas from this burner. Yeah. Now we have to clean this plug. Open this. You just buy a simple equipment for opening this. This is a very useful tool, and lots of electrical works you can also do with this tool. Good, great. Just use a plus. I think there is a dust in the valves. Okay. Good. This is a good technique. You just You have to clean this.
यस, ये क्लीन करेंगे, इनको साफ
Then
करेंगे।
you have to clean this. This is a small washer, and the gas will go at here, and then sometime it will close due to dust. Okay, clean, open it and clean this. Just open it. There is a small washer in it. Just open it. This is the valve which control the gas, whether you need the gas or not need the gas. You just open or close it. Okay, yes, you just okay.
And wash,
Wash.
and wash, and after
Okay, wash it.
और wash करने को फिट कर देंगे।
Okay. We have to wash with the clean water. Just take this water. This is a detergent powder. Use it for washing. Okay. When we have to clean all these things, the gas will give a better performance. One side it is exercise and other side it will clean your gas oven. Now it is shining. We have to dry it in the sun. After this we join it. Now all the dust has been cleaned by Ashwini. Okay, Ashwini, we also clean this. Okay. This is a gas pipe where gas will cross, so it should also be cleaned. I think a long time it is not cleaned. That is the reason. Just take this and then clean. Okay. Yes. Ashwini, you are doing a very nice duty. Good performance. Well done, dear. Yes. Now carry it to the sun
Yes.
for dry it. Okay. Have to wash this with this detergent powder. Just fill the water with this detergent powder and just wash it. Now you are seeing the color of the water is just light brown. It means all the dust is absorbed with this water. Okay. I think this is hard. Or not. This is hard. Hard dust. Good.
विनोद पे वीडियो देख
Yes, it is shining. Now this is totally clean. Instead of buying a new gas oven, it is a good and it is a cheap if you wash it in your own home. It is a great substitute of a new oven. Yeah, Shuni.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Just dry it in the sun, and your new gas oven is ready just after washing it. Okay. Thank you.